Welcome back to Give It a Try with Rye. So it's a chilly, sunny day here in Southwest Ohio, but my new trailer hitches came in the mail and I'm looking forward to seeing what's inside of them. But before we do that, if you would, go to my channel, hit the subscribe button, like this video, share them with a friend, comment below. It really helped me get this channel kicked off and I would greatly appreciate it, so thank you. All right, well, let's look into these packages and see what we got here. Okay, so this is the Curt Gooseneck ball and safety chain anchor kit. It's made for Chevy, Ford, GMC, and Nissan. So if you drive any one of those vehicles with a factory installed gooseneck hitch, this will plug right into it. It's made for the puck system, which is part of the new factory installed hitches. Ram has its own style of hitch here. Curt does make a gooseneck ball kit for them, but it is their own system, so it's a separate compatibility. This is rated up to 30,000 pounds. Check the rating on your vehicle. Your vehicle may not be able to tow 30,000 pounds. I have a Chevy 2500 HD diesel. On the gooseneck, it's rated up to 18,500 pounds, so this is more than capable of handling anything my truck could handle. But let's go ahead and open it up and see what comes in it. So in this kit, you'll find the ball hitch and the two safety chain anchors. Again, both of these mount right into the factory installed OEM hitch on my Chevy truck. Also comes with a cover, which you can pop down into the ball hitch hole. My truck comes with covers on all the holes, so I won't be using that. And then it also comes with a little manual here, which is good. Pretty simple setup, but it is important to note that the front of the truck is up here, the rear of the truck is back here, and they do show that you install the safety chain anchors on the rear holes. So the holes closest to the trailer, not closest to the back of the cab there. All right, so another important note to make here is the way that this ball hitch works is it has these little ball bearings that lock. And I call them ball bearings because the puck system allows this to swivel 360 degrees. And these little ball locks or ball bearings are what keep it into that puck system, but are also what allow it to spin around. Now, right now they're locked, as you can see, but to unlock them, you flip this little switch up, you twist, and then they go in. That's how you install it and remove it when you're done. The safety chain anchors, they plug down in. They have these little pins and these clips. So to install them, you got to pull those out. You'll punch them in, you'll twist them. You'll put these pins back in, put these clips back in to keep those pins in place, and you're good to go. So that's really all there is to it. We'll go ahead and close that up. I'll show you how to install it here in a minute. We'll go ahead and look at my other hitch here too. So I've always kept a one-piece, 5-inch drop hitch on my truck. So I wanted to pick one of these up. They look pretty heavy duty, and I wanted to get one for myself. One important thing to note, this is for the 2.5-inch receiver. If you're using a 2-inch hitch with a 2.5-inch receiver, then you're going to have to get a reducer coupling. You can do whatever you want, but I know that when you use a reducer coupling, it does reduce the rating that hitch can handle. I do recommend, again, you can do what you want, but I do recommend that if you have a 2.5-inch receiver, get a 2.5-inch hitch. You'll just be able to maximize your full towing capacity if you do that. All right, so inside, got the hitch and the ball. And a couple heavy duty pins. All right, well, let's get these installed and see what we have here. All right, and there you have it. The Curt adjustable 2-inch and 2 5/16" ball with a 2.5-inch shank, and I believe it's a 4.5 or 5-inch drop there. All right, so we're in the back of my truck, and the 5 holes you see here are the factory installed gooseneck and 5th wheel hitch. And so this center cover here is for the gooseneck ball. So we'll take that out. Again, we'll flip it up, twist it, set it down in there, and then give it a twist back again. And that thing's not going anywhere. Okay? And then the safety chain anchors. Gonna go in here. Take these pins out. Pop them in. Give them a twist. Set your pin back in. Clip back on. That pin's going to keep them from turning. And there you have it. Do the other one real quick here. Again, you're going to put it in. It'll only fit in there one way. Give it a twist. Get your pin back in there. Your safety clip. Keep the pin from coming out. And there you have it. Okay. There's the whole setup. And now I'm ready to go. Also here in the back of the truck is your 7-pin and a 4-pin trailer hitch connections for your lighting. And we're all set. Thanks for watching. Again, if you would, subscribe to my channel, like the video, share them with a friend, comment below. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.